how to install Veho Mobile app, manage your deliveries. So you can just tap get and then take charge of your deliveries. You can just just there are different services which are using this app, so you can just track your packages, especially in US. You can see order summaries. You can quickly update your delivery information in the last seconds, and then add customizable delivery instructions. So yeah, that's pretty cool. And then you can just have it like that. When you just open the app, you can either log in with phone number and kind of create an account, or you can instantly track your package, where you can just have your orders and then you can just tap track your package. So yeah, that's basically the idea, how it works. Then you also have support in the top right, where you can just tap message support. So that's what it is. Hope that's helpful.